It can be very frustrating when someone is trying to call you and they can't leave a voicemail message.
The person you are calling has a voicemail box that is full and you cannot leave a message.
And you don't even know this until somewhere along the way, someone sends you a text message or sends you an email or walks up to you and goes, "Your voicemail's not working." This is how you fix the problem when you're using an iPhone. Go to Phone. In Phone, click on Voicemail. Now, if you're having this problem where someone is not able to leave you a voicemail message, it is likely that your voicemail is full and or your deleted messages are full. Now you can see I only have 3 voicemail messages here and I only have 3 deleted messages. Very likely if you're having this problem again, you have dozens and dozens of voicemail messages and equally as many, if not more, deleted messages. Here are the 2 steps that you need to do in order to free up your voicemail so people can leave you messages. Number one, on the screen here where you see voicemail, hit the edit button. Select all the messages that you want to get rid of and then hit delete in the bottom right corner. Number two, go to deleted messages. In deleted messages, you can either hit clear all in the upper right hand corner and permanently clear deleted voicemail. Or you can drag each one of these one at a time, drag to the left, and you can hit clear and remove these deleted messages one at a time. You can send or save these messages either from the deleted folder, or if I go back to voicemail, the same thing here. I can click on a message and there's the send icon. Again, send it, airdrop it, email it, etc., etc. Bottom line, the only answer, because you cannot buy more voicemail space, the only answer is to A, clear out the voicemail messages you don't want, B, delete and clear out the deleted messages permanently. Alternatively, one message at a time, you can save them somewhere else before you delete them. Hey, I'm Teddy. My purpose is to help you overcome the risk and fears of using technology so that you get a better experience using your cell phone. I hope this is helpful for you.